Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I will show you very quickly how to find a specific prefix if, for example, you have a customer and a customer asks you to call them back on their phone number which starts with 0911. Do you know which network that is? If not, well, let me show you exactly how you can find this CouponBet. It's very easy. First of all, go to CouponBet, log in on CouponBet, and once you're on CouponBet, go to Tools. And in Tools, you have to scroll down. And if you scroll down all to the bottom, you can see here, this is the Prefix Checker. In here, we can find any telecom prefix provider as long as it is known. And in this case, we need the following. It's 0911. And there you are. So now you see instantly, this is a smart network. And you know exactly which phone you need to use. So this is really designed to help you and your travel agency to be more faster and more efficient and avoid any additional costs by using your different phone. So if you like this and would like to have CouponBet for your own travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register right away.